Today's WineText is Albert Boxler, 2014 Gewurztraminer Reserve. Gonna go back on Albert Boxler just really quickly. I know we just did one of his white wines a couple days ago. Albert Boxler, one of the most traditional old school winemakers in all of Alsace. With all of the pressures of modern day winemaking and new equipment and things coming into that area, Albert Boxler is a traditionalist, making the wines as classic as you can to the region. Before we did a white blend, which is a little bit more high acid, a little bit crisper style wine, this is Gewurztraminer and it's a reserve. So this is some of their best Gewurztraminer grapes that go into this wine. And if you're not familiar with the grape, it's one of the most full flavored, full bodied, rich grapes that you can actually get. The skins are super thick and the juice is very, very heavy. It has a ton of really savory, full bodied notes. I mean, you get that Meyer lemon, a lot of that stone fruit, really ripe peach, things of that nature going on. But you get a ton of ginger, a lot of white and yellow flowers come through on the wine. And it's kept completely dry. The alcohol on it's around 13.5, which is actually pretty high for this region. But it means it's super, super dry and really, really intense. The grapes themselves are grown in 100% limestone on 40 to 67-year-old vines, which are some of the oldest owned by the winery. And that gives that on the palate that really long, lingering, really dense minerality that comes on the wine. You want to drink this with a lot of heavy foods. I think white wines get kind of pushed into lighter, like the salads and things of that nature. This is a white wine that can hold up to pretty much anything. I really like it with things that are more traditional to the Alsace region, sausages, brats, things of that nature. But don't be afraid to use it. You drink it with cured meats and other things as well. This is also a white wine that holds up to some of the richest fish dishes. I think a lot of things that are coastal and kind of salty go really well with things like Gewurztraminer. And the most classic pairing of all is spicy food, Indian food, buffalo wings. I know football season's kicking in, and Gewurztraminer goes extremely well with spicy foods. So yeah, getting Gewurztraminer Reserve from Alsace at this price, I mean, this wine easily goes 40, 50, never leaves our wine room when we have it. It's one of the most collectible wines from the region, and to get it at the opportunity that we have today is pretty much unheard of.